Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide or unhide a folder in your Windows or computer without installing any software or application. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have a folder here created entitled Please Hide Me. Now in order to hide this folder, simply click on it, and the moment you have selected it, do a right click, and this time in this window, you need to go for properties. Once you have successfully opened the properties window, you can see there five, sorry. You need to go with general, which is the first one, and scroll down, then go for attributes. You can see here hidden. Check this or mark this and then click on apply and okay. So the moment you have click it, you have just successfully hide the folder. Now, in order to unhide such, we will be performing a basic step, and how we can do that, open your File Explorer, and at the center of your screen, at the upper top of it, you can see here three dots. Simply click on that to see more and scroll down to go for options. Once you have opened this folder options, you need to proceed on view, which is the next one next to general, and look for hidden files and folders. Okay, so I can see here this show hidden files and folders. Mark that or select it, click on apply, and then okay. Once done, just simply close this File Explorer window. And here you can see there the folder that we have just created. Isn't it just amazing? Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.